Good morning, students. Time to study again. I welcome you to online class. During this pandemic period, we have created a new mode of teaching, which is online classes. Class 6 Subject Computer. Let us begin our class. So, our first chapter is Computers and Computer Languages. Before knowing about what computer language mean, we should know what a programming language says. In today's world, computers are absolutely necessary. There is no such place where computers are not utilized. But still, it is a machine and needs instruction for processing. So, in this chapter, we are going to read about the languages that a computer understands, the process of input and output, and many more. There are some terms which are related to the topic. The first one is program, a series of instructions that takes place in a computer in order to perform a particular task. It means a set of instructions are given to the computer to give the output that we required. Second one is programming, the process of writing a program in a computer. Third one is programming language, the formal language designed for giving instruction to a computer. Last one is programmer, a person who writes computer programs. Now let us discuss the programming language in a brief manner. Language has been our primary need for communication. In the same way, computer also requires a particular language for getting instruction and to show the result. For this programming, language was invented. A programming language is a formal language with a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. The programming language is divided into two main categories: low-level language and high-level language. Again, the low-level language is further divided into machine language and assembly language. Let me describe each language. Here comes the first one, which is low-level language. It is a computer-friendly language. This language consists of zeros and ones, which is known as binary language. Binary notation is very difficult to understand by humans because we can only write the program in the form of 0 and 1. The other one is high-level language. It is a human-friendly language. This programming language uses English and mathematical symbols as its instruction. Examples are C, C++, Java, Basic, and many more. Now, as the low-level language is again divided into machine language and assembly language. Now, let us discuss about machine language. A computer programming language consisting of binary instructions which a computer can respond directly is said to be machine language or machine code, where 0 represents off status and 1 represents on status. Features of machine language: uses binary symbols only, difficult to use by the user, only because the user have to write the program in 1 and 0. Translator not required, increases the processing speed. Due to absence of translator, speed increases. The other one is assembly language. A programming language is the language that consists of a set of symbols and letters which is said to be assembly language. Features of assembly language. Translator is required only because the high-level language should be converted into low-level language. Easier for the user to write. It is a second-generation language. Let us discuss the difference between low-level language and high-level language. Low-level language. It is a machine-friendly language. High-level language is a user-friendly language. Tough to understand. Easy to understand. Low-level language does not need compiler, whereas high-level language needs compiler for translation. Because the English language, which is user-friendly language, is converted to machine language 0 and 1. Low-level language commonly used in programming, whereas high-level language widely used for programming. So, these are the main differences between a low-level language and high-level language. I think everyone understood today's class. Let us continue the topic in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.